Everybody, this is Laura from the Vintage Key. Hello. It's been a while since I've done a video, and now that I'm finally getting back into the whole crafting and everything. I have two girls. One's a toddler, she's 2.5, and the other one is 9 months, and so I've got a lot going on. My husband and I are busy. I'm trying to get back into work, and we're also looking for a house to live in, and so it's been busy. But in the midst, I'm trying to come back and do a little bit of things here and there. So what I'm recording right here is my tag swap that I did with Stephanie Miller, which is Steph-A-Gal, and on YouTube. And basically she does these image swaps, which I've been wanting to join one since like forever. And then when I finally got into join it, everything went great, and then my husband and I have had some losses in the family, so we had a loss in the family, so, it took me a little bit, but I finally got them in, got my tags in, and then I got all these wonderful tags back from all these wonderful ladies, so I just want to show you. I'm not going to show you their names because I really don't know if they want me to or not, but, if they do, then they can just, they can message me or let me know, and I'll put everything on the bottom description. So, but here are some of the beautiful tags I went ahead and took out, and this right here are some goodies that I got from Steph, some Anna Griffin, sorry for the glare, like some butterfly feather pieces, some beautiful buttons, also from Anna Griffin, and some little charms and a little flower center, which are absolutely pretty. And so let me get to the tags. Here's my first set. The typewriter one is mine. It's the one that I sent in. And so as you can see, a pretty girl playing with a garden. That's awesome because when I get a house in a backyard, I want to have a garden. So super excited. I live here in Florida, so that's what we do. We garden around here, especially with this crazy heat. Look at that tag over there. It says ooh la la. Isn't that so pretty? And the other one with the palm trees kind of reminds me of Miami sometimes. It's just funny. Got lots of little postage ones. Sunflowers. I'm actually going to do something and send that one to my mama because my mom loves sunflowers. Look at that one, so pretty. They're just so beautiful. Every tag is so different. I love them all. The tags that have butterflies, I'm going to send them, I think, to my aunt. My cousin passed away. She was pretty young. She was probably only married for about a year. She was very young. She was probably only like 20-something. And, we think of her as our butterfly. So, I'm probably going to make a little book and send that to them with some memories. She's a cute little girl. Wish she were here. It's good for Florida. And look at this lady. She's something else. I just love it. So those are my tags, and I love them all. Stephanie, thank you for letting me join. Sorry, ladies, that the video's out so late, but this is it. I'll show you a glimpse at my munchkin. Just excuse my mess from everything, and I'm sorry if it gets kind of crazy, okay? So, there she is, playing down there. Allie! Alessandra! Hey, you want to say hi to Mommy? Hey, I see you in the mirror. Peekaboo. Hi, pretty girl. Mama's over here. I'm doing a video. So, anyway, just wanted to let you guys know that that's my beautiful angel. Her name's Alessandra. We call her Allie. And, I put the mirror in here from their room in the living room. So, it kind of helps me watch her. Because my toddler's visiting with her grandma and grandpa. So, it's just me, the hubby, and the baby, so we're enjoying some quiet time. Bye, baby. There's my Chihuahua, Bella. She's so nosy. So, thank you guys again, and I'm so happy. Hi, sweetie. Hi. Hi, baby. Yeah. So, I'm so happy to get back into the groove of everything, and I hope I'll have some more videos out for you guys, okay? Lots of hugs and kisses, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye. Say bye, Allie.